There we go. Smash burger and tachos. Hey everybody, Mike Chavez here once again. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Alright y'all, today smash burger time. But not just any smash burgers. We're doing these smash burgers with bacon and onion and some white American cheese, okay? So these are going to be like Oklahoma style smash burgers. So we've got our onion sliced thin, burgers made up. I got some hamburger sauce made. I'll take you inside and show you how I made that. So got the Blackstone fired up, getting hot. So let's do this, y'all. This is going to be good. All right, y'all. So going to make a standard hamburger sauce, like a In-N-Out animal sauce, kind of like. So we're going to start off with some mayonnaise. We won't need a whole lot here, maybe half a cup. There we go. Go ahead and put some Grey Poupon, of course, using Duke's mayonnaise. Put about, I don't know, half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. About a teaspoon of sweet pickle relish. Heaping teaspoon. There we go. Shot of ketchup. I'm gonna try to get about a teaspoon in here. Let's see. Maybe a little more. Give it a mix. Put a little salt, pepper, garlic in here. Not too much. We get this mixed up. Alright, let's get a little taste and see what we got. So I'm going to go ahead, put a lid on this, put it in the refrigerator. And that'll be our spread for our smash burgers. So now when you make these onion smash burgers, you want your onion as thin as you can go. I got my mandolin here. This is the thinnest setting for my mandolin. I'm going to go ahead and put my lid on, my guard. So slice these onions up nice and thin. Alright, so there we go, nice thin onion. Alright, for the smash burgers, we'll make some balls. Just a little bit bigger than a golf ball. We don't want them real big. About like that. Keep them kind of loose. So I'm going to do a double cheese and a single with no cheese for Mama. So there we go. So we'll see y'all outside. Now I never could get my Blackstone above about 350, 375. Figured out later that my regulator needed to be reset. But I made do and it worked out. So I'm going to get this bacon on here. So let this bacon cook up. So as this bacon gets done, we're gonna put it in the pan. Save it for the burgers. Got all this nice bacon grease on here. Tater tots in the bacon grease. We'll get them coated. All right, let's let these cook. All right, we'll keep tossing these. Getting close, getting close. Let me see if that'll smash a little bit, Let's see here. Well, I'm gonna smash these down a little bit. Scooch them over. So we'll go ahead, put some cheese on here. Jalapenos. There we go. Tachos. Well, let's go ahead and put a lid on here. Let that cheese melt. I got some nice brioche rolls for the smash burgers. And go ahead and toast these up real quick. I'll rub them in some olive oil a little bit. All right. We'll get this side up to about 500 degrees or so. Let me see what we're sitting at now. Sitting at 330, 325. We'll let that get hot. All right, let's check on these tachos. Cheese is melted. So we'll go ahead. Put these in the pan. All right then, let's get these burgers on. A little bit of seasoning. Handful of onions. All right. Give them a smash. Hold it. All right. Put a few more onions on there. A little bit of seasoning. All right, let them cook. All right, flip this over. Cheese. All right, let that cheese melt. Go ahead and get us a bun. All right, put some of our sauce on here. A few pickles. Tomato. All right. Burger on. Burger on. Put the lid on. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and put some bacon on here too. Almost forgot the bacon. Get us some tachos. There we go. All right. All right, y'all. Let's cut this open. Look at that. There we go. Smash burger and tachos. Alright, y'all, here we go. Look at that. Looking yummy. Smash burgers. Tachos. So, let's try these out. Juicy, tender, messy. Y'all ready for this? I'm ready for this. I'm starving. Taste! Mmm. Oh my God. That is so good. Let's try the tachos. Mmm. All right, y'all. For some reason, I couldn't get my Blackstone up hot as I wanted, but that works. Just hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Any questions, comments, leave them below. As always, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. And we'll see y'all next time. All right? Bye, everybody.